Welcome back to my channel, y'all. And today we are doing the best homemade Salisbury steak recipe, y'all. And this is another one of those budget-friendly dinner ideas, you know, for that day of love. And the ingredients are super simple, and it is savory with this gravy, y'all. It is the gravy for me, y'all. And I mean, the perfect meal, super quick and simple. And this will be found under my homemade recipe playlist. Make sure you check this out. Let's go. So I'm starting with half an onion and 1 egg, some baby Bella mushrooms, but you can use button, mustard, ketchup, minced garlic, and then I also have some browning seasoning, but you can use soy, Worcestershire sauce, and then some liquid smoke, some cornstarch and breadcrumbs, and then some beef broth, and for seasoning, onion powder and garlic seasoning, salt and pepper, and then I have some ground chuck here, but you can use any cut of beef that you want. So I'm just gonna crack an egg in here and then add in some ketchup and mustard, and all of the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box, so don't worry, I got you guys. But we're just gonna do the base for the patties and mix that up. So this kind of gives you kind of that meatloaf vibe, but that liquid smoke is gonna give you that Salisbury taste. So you know, there's a difference between the hamburger steak Salisbury and meatloaf, but I'm just gonna patty these out into an oval shape, and then I'm going to set them off to the side before we prep. So I'm just gonna chop up my veggies like so, and then I am going to start browning the patties. So I'm using a heavy bottom cast iron because I want to get a good crust on each side like so, and you can use any kind of pan, you can grill them, what works best for you, but I want those bits in the pan because as you can see, I want to saute my veggies inside those bits with a little bit of meat grease, and yeah, it is so delicious, you guys. And I'm going to season this up and mix up these veggies, and then I'm going to add in that cornstarch and then let that absorb, because this is going to be the base for that gravy. So once the flour has cooked up, I am going to add in the rest of the ingredients and then let it slowly thicken up. So while I'm doing that, go ahead and use this opportunity, if you have not already, to click that subscribe button. And y'all, thank you so much to those who have already subscribed, are watching my videos, commenting and liking. I appreciate you guys so much. So there you have that rich gravy. I'm adding the patties back in to finish absorbing and just simmering in that delicious sauce, and there you go. Super simple, and again, a budget-friendly dinner idea, because you know you can't get out. If you want to have a home-cooked meal and serve it up, there you go. But hold on, baby, let me let you get that bite. Look at that. So good, y'all. Hope you guys tried that recipe out. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that when I post a new video, you'll be the first to know. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video as well. And remember, new recipes every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And for those who are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you next time in my new video. Bye, y'all.